Good morning, grade 3. Today we will take lesson 10, mixed numbers and improper fractions. Here we have fraction, whole, improper fraction and mixed number. So the fraction here, I have numerator and denominator. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here for the whole, I have a whole number like 5 and 12. Now the difference between improper fraction and fraction, that here I have the numerator is greater than the denominator, and here numerator is greater than the denominator, but in the fraction the numerator is smaller than the denominator. And here I have mixed number. So what's the mixed number? It is having whole and fraction. Like 3 is the whole and half is the fraction. 7 is the whole and 2/8 is the fraction. So today's lesson is about mixed numbers and improper fraction. So improper fraction is a fraction that it has its numerator greater than the denominator, and mixed number is a number that it has a whole and a fraction, like 3 is the whole and half is the fraction. In this lesson, we will learn how to transfer between mixed number and improper fraction. So here, if I am given the mixed number and I have to find improper fraction, and for number 2, if I'm given the improper fraction and I have to find the mixed number. So here I have a mixed number 2 and 3/4. I want to find the improper fraction. So the first step here, I will multiply the denominator with the whole, like 4 times 2 equals 8. Then I will add the answer to the numerator. 8 plus 3 equals 11. So again, I will multiply denominator by the whole, then I will add it to the numerator. Here we will solve this now. First, I will multiply the denominator with the whole, then I will add it to the numerator. So 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 plus 4 equals 10. This is in the numerator. And what I will put in the denominator? The same number. Here, 6. Okay, now for this example here, I will multiply denominator with the whole, then I will add it to the numerator. 4 times 5 equals 20 plus 3 equals 23. This number I will put it in the numerator, and in the denominator I will put the same number here. Okay, now if I'm given the improper fraction and I have to find the mixed number, I will use long division. So in this here I have this improper fraction. It has a greater number in the numerator place, so 14 is greater than 6. So in this case, to find the mixed number, I have to use long division. So I will divide 14 by 6. So 14 by 6, first I will start with the 1. Can I divide 1 by 6? No, because 1 is smaller than 6. Then I will take 2 digits. 14 divided by 6, I will bring it here. What times 6 will give me 14? Nothing. I will go one number down. I will check the 13. 13 divided by 6, nothing. And then I will go another number down. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Then here my answer is what? 2 or 2, but I don't care about the remainder, just I want the answer. So 14 divided by 6 equals 2. Now I have to go down. I will multiply 2 times 6 equals 12. Two numbers, I will subtract them. 14 minus 12 equals 2. Now how I will write the mixed number? This is the answer, this is the whole, then I will write it here. Then I will write the remainder in the numerator place, and here the same denominator will be down. So here I will have the same denominator again, and I will put the answer here for the whole, the quotient for the whole, and the remainder for the numerator. Now we will try to solve this. 11 divided by 3. Now I will use long division to make it. So 1 divided by 3, I can't make it because 1 is smaller than 3. Then I will take 2 digits. 11 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Two numbers I will subtract. 1 minus 9, I can do it, so I will borrow from the neighbor. Now 11 minus 9 equals 2. So how I will write now the mixed number? I will take the quotient, the answer. This is for the whole, and for my fraction here I will have the same denominator, and I will write the remainder here. So my answer is 3 and 2/3. Okay, now we will start solving from the book. We will start with check. Okay, write each mixed number as an improper fraction. So here I have a mixed number. Here is the whole, and here is the fraction, whole and fraction, whole fraction, whole fraction. So how can I write the improper fraction? First I will multiply, then I will add. So 8 times 1 equals 8, plus 3 equals 11. So this number will be here in the numerator place, and down I will put the same denominator. Here multiplication, addition. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8 over the same denominator. Here multiplication and addition. 10 times 3 equals 30 plus 2 equals 32 over the same denominator. And here 12 times 2 equals 24 plus 5 equals 29 over the same denominator. Now here write each improper fraction as a mixed number or a whole number. So here I have improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. How we will write the mixed number? We will use the long division. So I will divide. So here this is for division. 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. Two numbers I will subtract. Here I have 5 minus 4 equals 1. I don't have any numbers to take down, then I'm done. So it will give me, I will put the same denominator here. What's the quotient? The answer is 2. Then here I have 2, and I will put the remainder here in the place of the numerator. Now for number 6, 12 divided by 4. Since I can divide 12 by 4 with no remainder, I can find the answer directly without using the long division. I know that 12 divided by 4 equals 3, and here long division, 7 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Subtract 1, there is no numbers to take down. Then the answer here, I have the answer is 2, and the fraction, it has the same denominator, and 1 up. Here 13 divided by 5, 2. 2 times 5, 10 equal, this is the answer, 2. And my fraction, it will be over the same denominator, and I will put the 3 up. Okay, now for number 9, number sense. How can you tell if an improper fraction equals a mixed number or a whole number? So I have an improper fraction. After making the long division, I will have a mixed number or whole number. So when I will have a whole number and when I will have a mixed number, I will have a whole number when the numerator is divisible by the denominator. What's the meaning of divisible? That I can divide the numerator by the denominator without any remainder. Like this one, here number 6, I can divide the numerator by the denominator with no remainder, then I will have a whole. But here 5, it's not divisible by 2, then I will have the whole and the fraction, then I will have a mixed number. So what's the answer? If the numerator is divisible by the denominator, then the improper fraction equals a whole, like this example. Okay, now for practice, you can check the answers from here. You can solve it by yourself, then check the answers from here. Now just we will solve 25, the last one. Write 3 different improper fractions that equal the whole number 2. So I will think about 2 numbers. If I divide them by each other, they will give me 2. So the first 2 numbers, 10 divided by 5 equals 2, 20 divided by 10 equals 2, and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So here is my 3 improper fractions. Thank you for watching.